depending on when you come across this video. Today we'll be looking at chemistry, topic relative molecular mass of compound. So I'll be picking 5 questions which I will solve now, and you will see how you can get a relative molecular mass of compound. See, this whatever I will do now is just like a basic of chemistry. Titration, you must still look for the molar mass of compound. See, in fact, for this WAEC and JAMB exam, see, for JAMB and WAEC exam, JAMB or WAEC exam, what you will do is this. For JAMB and WAEC exam, on chemistry, you need to know at least your first 30 elements. I know WAEC and JAMB, they might give you their mass number in brackets, but please, you shouldn't just go along with it. You are not entitled to it, therefore you should know. You should know how to calculate molar mass of compound. And there are some compounds that because you have been solving for a very long time, you shouldn't bother yourself with, because you should know their molar mass because you have been solving. So I remember I just started this and I'm beginning everything from the scratch. So whatever topic I know I will touch, I will not go back to it again. As I solve, as I teach, I will just continue. Therefore, if you are following me, you just follow me from the scratch and still see what we can do. Now let us go look at the following compound. Let us calculate. I'll be doing 2 things now, 2 things in one, to save your time and data. We are asked to calculate the relative molecular mass, not atomic mass. Relative molecular mass deal with the mass of compound. RAM talk about mass of one particular element. Mainly isotopes. You can be asked to find the relative atomic mass of either oxygen 16, 17, 18 as a case, or even hydrogen. Hydrogen has is an isotope. Or even element X or Y as the case may be, you can be asked to look for their relative atomic mass. So that one is a different ballgame. We'll still come to it. Let me see how my time can carry me. First of all, 1. FeSO4. Number 2, CaOH. Very okay. Number 3, I have NaNO3. Let me put dot 7 water. Number 4, let's still look at a compound like aluminium Al, aluminium tetraoxosulfate 6, dot 5 hydrates, and the last one, here I will stop. But look at, focus on example, on this example, and still look at okay, let me pick a popular one. Let me pick a popular one, or maybe, okay, let me look at calcium hydrogen calcium hydrogen tetraoxosulfate or chlorate. Let's go for 2 water. First of all, you should know the molar mass of the compound. Let me solve for the first one. FeSO4. The molar mass of this compound. This is iron tetraoxosulfate 6. I'll still come down to how you can name compound. Quickly, I know iron. Iron is Fe 56 grams. Iron, let me break it down. Fe is equal to 56. If there was number here, I'll pass with the number there, but there's no number here. I'll just go my way. Sulfur, X is sulfur. The symbol X stands for sulfur. See, I'm just taking this one from the scratch. For those of us that don't have any basic knowledge on chemistry, but want to write exam, WAEC or JAMB, maybe the school you attended, you skip SS1, you registered your SS2, and in your own head you want to become a science student. Please, just follow me as I just go. What am I doing now? Breaking out the mass number of all these elements. They are constant. F is iron, X is sulfur, O is oxygen. F is iron, X is sulfur, O is oxygen. And whatever I'm writing now, these are the mass number. Mass number of F is 56. Mass number of X is 32. And mass number of O is 16. See, O is 16 for 1, but oxygen gas 32. They say oxygen gas is O2, but only O. See, 16 times 2, but only O is 16. Take note and don't forget. Iron here is 56. X here is 32. O here is 16. But there's 4 here. Put times 4. If there was 2 here, I'll put 2 times 2. If there was 8 here, I'll put Fe times 8. There are other dangerous and compound. I know I'll be giving us in our comment section. So remember, like I told us, please, I'm mainly doing this work for beginners, not for experts per se. I'm mainly doing this work for those that have chemistry as a problem, before we still enter other dangerous part of chemistry. If I do this, I get 64. Therefore, this times this 64, this plus this, I'll add up everything. This plus this plus this. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. 2 carry 1, 6, 9, 10. 102 grams. Let us cross check this. 6 plus 2, this is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 carry 1, put that 1 here, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 102 grams. So this is now the mass of FeSO4. But if you are not asked to find the percentage composition, if you are asked to find the percentage composition of sulfur in this compound, we did not say calculate the percentage composition. Percentage what? Composition of, let's say, sulfur. What will I do? I'll come down to my compound here. What is the mass of sulfur here? 32. 32 over total mass of the compound, 102, times 100. This 100 is composed because of the question. Percent, I have 100. So this can change, this can change, this one remains constant. So when you now say this times, I have 3200 over 102. Whatever you have, it will be in what? Percentage. When you divide this over this, you get the answer in what? Mainly in 2 decimal place. Percentage. Now, after saying this, let me continue to the second problem. Sorry, there's 2 here because calcium is a cation that there is 2 plus. So this is the right compound of calcium hydroxide. This one is sodium tetraoctonitrate, nitrate and 5, heptane hydrate, heptane for 7, hept is 7, heptane hydrate. Alright, let me continue and still do other things here. This number 2, we have CaOH and 2. Ca is 40. 40 is the grams of calcium. It's constant. O is equal to 16. But these 2 outside is for this and this. I have 2 outside O and H, and these 2 will affect O and affect H. Therefore, 16 times what? 2. 32. Then I have H. H is hydrogen. Ca is calcium. O is oxygen. H is hydrogen. So O is now 16 times these 2 here. H is now 1 times 2 equal to what? 2. So when you plus total everything, this plus this 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. 74 grams. Like I said earlier, if you are not asked to find the percentage composition of calcium in this compound, what will you do? I will locate for my compound. One is calcium 40, right? I will say 40 over total mass, which is what? 74 is the total mass. Total mass is 74. I will then put as what? 100. A normal science student will say 40 times 100. I will get what? 400 over 74. Whatever you have will not be. Please, answer should be in 2 decimal place, and then know how to. Your answer should be in 2 decimal place, and also know how to approximate appropriately, please, because of this particular exam. Know how to approximate your work appropriately. Please know how to approximate your work. So when you divide this, you get your answer in 2 decimal place, preferable. 2 decimal place, preferable. Now, I have to clean this and continue to. I'll look at the next one. Next, number 3. Number 3 is NaNO3.7. Normally, the molar mass of water is 18 grams. So without giving yourself stress from here, or anyhow, let's start. Na is sodium, and sodium have 23 mass. Then N is nitrogen, and nitrogen has 14. Is 14. There is a constant mass number of N is 14. Na 23, N is 14. Then O, like I've said before, O is equal to 16. But there's 3 here. We have to test by what? By this 3. Can you see now? So this one will give me 48. 48. Na23 is constant. That is the mass of it is constant. In chemistry, Na is 23, N is 14, O is 16. We are not by this 3. Then let me compare to whatever I have here. Next, I have here H. H is equal to 1. 1 times this 2 is for H, times this 7, 2 is for what? Is for H. This 7 will affect, this is 7 mole of water. 7 will affect H and 7 will affect what? O. 7 will affect H and this 7 too must affect what? O. So this H is 1, for mass number of H is 1, times this 2 here, times this 7 here will give me 14. O again is equal to what? 16 for mass number times what? 7. There's nothing here. I times with 7 equal to, I think 96. 112, sorry, 112 grams. 112 grams. 16 times 7. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 7 is 2. 112 grams. If I did 112 grams. So now, if I add all these things, I will total all of them. 23 plus 14 plus 48 plus 14 plus 112. What should that give us now? 211 grams total. Then if I now have to find the percentage composition of oxygen in this compound, sorry, I'm giving you another one now. Look at the molar mass of this compound. It's 211 grams. If they say I should now find the molar mass of oxygen here, that's okay. For my compound here, my O is 48, right? I have 2 times O, 48 and O 112. That's okay. Total O, total oxygen over total mass times 100 over 1. If I solve this work, I get my answer. It will now be total O is now be first up is 48. 48 plus down one is 112 over total mass is 211 times 100. So 48 plus 112 will give us 2, 0 carry 1, 1, 4, 5, 6, 160 over 211 times 100. So here they will then have 160 times 100, I will then have about 160, 00 over 211. So whatever answer you get must be in 2 decimal place, and therefore it will not be in what? It will not be in 2 decimal place and a percentage. And I won't solve everything. I'll be leaving you with this one to solve. Then you will check the comment section for answer. This is number 4. And after number 4, I don't think I will take any more example. You just have to know what to do by yourself. I can't solve everything. Remember our topic today, I said I'll be showing us how we can calculate and get the molar mass of compound. You see compound like this should be very, very vital for those writing JAMB. You can be asked issues like this, and you can be asked to find the percentage composition of a particular element in the compound. Okay, let me not waste your time. Let me continue. The fourth one is Al2, open bracket, SO4, close bracket, 3.5 water. Al I know is 27. Al, mass number 27. 27 times 2 equal to 54. X is 32. 32 times 3. This is X, 32 times 3 is what? 90 what? 96. Here I have O as equal to 16 times 4 times 3 is equal to 192. Therefore I have H. 1 times 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Yes. Because this one is for H, 2 and 5. Therefore O is equal to 16 times 5. It is equal to what? 80 grams. 80. Total off for me. You now find the total mass of the whole compound. 54 plus 96 plus 192 plus 10 plus 80. What will it give me, please? Everything we want? 432 grams. If I'm now asked to find the percentage of hydrogen in this compound, we say find the percentage composition of hydrogen of what? Is now equal to what is hydrogen here? Is 10 over total grams 432 times 100. A normal student will know that 10 times this will give me what? 1000 over 432. Divide your answer and get into decimal place and write percent. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in my other class. Thank you.